And to make it worse, Chamisa resigned from his own party, and at the moment he doesn't have a party. So it becomes quite problematic to understand on what basis is he urging SADC to facilitate a meeting between him and President Mnangagwa.
Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in Confessions and Deep Secrets. Channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takwigira nyaya buditswa ne Harare Post iyo yabuda chitakola iyo echiti ma political analysts criticize NaChamisa pamsoro pe claims ake akabuda chitaura achiti he approached SADC kuti mediate ma talks pakati pake na President Mnangagwa yakabuda chitaura yayo chiti the political analyst criticizes very strongly NaChamisa vachiti is misleading his supporters. Paka suggested could he was engaging the Southern African Development Committee, could he address the Zimbabwe's political crisis and funga NaChamisa vakabuda vachitaura pa funeral CCC Chirumanzi South House of Assembly election losing candidate Patrick Cheza uyo akashaikirwa na mai vake mother-in-law vake Petronella Mukwende kuchivi North pa weekend. NaChamisa akabuda vachiclaima vachitaura vachiti he was in talks with SADC for intervention muri Zimbabwe. Vakataura ivo vachiti SADC vakakumbira SADC kuti immediate ma talks between iye na President Mnangagwa. So Irikunzi ma political analyst akabuda achicriticize Chamisa ni statement rake irori muri Zimbabwe. One of my political analysts anonzi vaCalvin Chitsunge vakabuda vachitaura vachiti the statement ra NaChamisa angari reckless and it's clear evidence yekuti Chamisa respect my supporters ake, and Chamisa should refrain from taking his supporters for a ride. Chamisa should refrain from taking his supporters for a ride by suggesting that there is a political crisis in Zimbabwe that warrants SADC intervention. Reality paints a different picture where such claims do not align with the current political landscape. Muri Zimbabwe, a statement rakataurwa na NaChamisa. Another political commentator anonzwa Terence Pwanya vakabuda vachitaura that Chamisa should not inflate his political status. He remains an opposition figure with limited ability to prompt SADC intervention in Zimbabwe's internal affairs. It's crucial to maintain a realistic perspective on the extent of his political leverage. Another political analyst Edith Mushore vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti Chamisa arifana kudza chokwadi supporters avo supporters ake ovapa a concrete political direction muri Zimbabwe. So it's a pity for Chamisa's supporters as they are led to believe in a SADC intervention of a non-existent political crisis. With the elections now behind us, it's time to focus on national development instead of dwelling in the past. Muri Zimbabwe, since there is need for Chamisa to look forward. Muri Zimbabwe, tingaziye kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi NaChamisa tara kunoku Irikunzi. His next plan is to form a new political partner. Speculations are suggesta kuti vacheza his close ally vanokwanisa kuappointwa as one of my deputy leaders this new political party. Tisingaziye kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi yabuditswa neHarare Post muri Zimbabwe kuti is it true kuti NaChamisa maka approach SADC on this issue. Ndofunga wakabuda zvakare apa vaisaina a condolence book NaChamisa the late former Namibian president. Wakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti the issue yema elections eZimbabwe yakaitwa musi wa 23 August haisati yapera. Vakataura the same statement vachiti he was still engaging my leaders SADC paissue iyi mureZimbabwe. Tisingazivi kuti munoionawo sei nyaya yakaburitswa NaChamisa kuti chingava chiri chokwadi here kuti SADC kuti vari in talks neZimbabwe kuti vagadzirise the political situation yemuZimbabwe, uye zvakare SADC ingaita sei pamusoro this political situation. Panoitwa GNU here kana kuti inyaya yakatopfuura. Ndofunga the last time SADC payakatuma ma-representatives ayo muno muZimbabwe they said kuti vapa ma-final stages ekuti vahold the 44th SADC summit muno muZimbabwe iyo iri kuwanikwa president Emerson Mnangagwa vachiitwa the chairperson weSADC mureZimbabwe muna August. Zvireva izvo kuti zvema-fresh elections kana GNU yaitauro zvinhu zvakatopfuura. MaSADC preparatory team yakauya ndofunga ikacheka kuti Zimbabwe yaready here to host this SADC 44th summit, and vaka-approve vakati no zvinhu zvese zvava ready. Tisingazive kuti munoionawo sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu-comment section.
That statement, to be quite honest, caught me by surprise. It was quite shocking hearing that that's what NaChamisa is saying, because let's look at it from this way. This is the same NaChamisa who failed dismally to convince SADC to act upon its own report by its own election observers who were here in Zimbabwe in August, who declared the elections here not to be credible, not to be free, not to be fair, and that they fell short, woefully short of regional standards and guidelines of democracy, democratic elections. He failed to push SADC and say, hey guys, why aren't you acting on your own report, on your own election observer report? Hold the government of Zimbabwe to account. And SADC practically treated that report as non-existent. So if Chamisa, who was clearly defrauded or an election stolen from him, and he couldn't act upon it, as far as SADC was concerned, how then does he today expect SADC to listen to him with his new proposal to facilitate a meeting between him and President Mnangagwa? I don't see that happening. And to make it worse, Chamisa resigned from his own party, and at the moment he doesn't have a party. So it becomes quite problematic to understand on what basis is he urging SADC to facilitate a meeting between him and President Mnangagwa.
The wealthiest country, we have the richest country, we have the most beautiful country in the world. But not only that, even the people themselves are very beautiful. Tiri vana vanyamunhu ngationesanei pamwe chete. Ndosaka muchiona ndiri mubishi zvezvi ndichiti vatete SADC uyai mundiyananise nehama yangu. Tinofana kuita kuti mumba muite moto asi wakatarisa kumadziro. Vamwe voti zvichanaka here? Baba nisumuka kwanzi nababa.